How to use digital well-being to limit screen time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you spend too much time on your phone, digital well-being can help you manage your screen time and stay focused. Here's how you can use it effectively. First, you need to go ahead and open your digital well-being settings. Go to your phone settings, scroll down here, and you'll find digital well-being and parental controls. Tap on it. Once you get to this settings, you can find something called app timers. Tap on app timers and you can select a timer for your app. Tap to select your app. Let's say if you spend a lot of time on Instagram, you can just go ahead and select that particular app. So let me just quickly go ahead and find Instagram here. Once you've selected your app, tap on done at the bottom. And then you can add a app timer name as well. Once you have done that, tap on save. You can add a schedule and select your timer. Let's say if you just want your screen time to be limited at 1 hour, just select 1 hour, tap on save, and you'll only be able to use Instagram for 1 hour. You can additionally use bedtime mode or wind down mode. It will gradually reduce your screen brightness as well as your notification at night. You can enable notification and reminders to get alerts when you reach your app usage limit. And there you go. That's how you can use digital well-being to limit your screen time. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.